We are proud to introduce the all-new 2026 Ferrari Elettrica, an icon reborn in silence. A bold step forward from Maranello, Ferrari Elettrica represents the legendary brand's first all-electric production car. It is not only a new chapter for Ferrari, it is a new era. This Grand Tourer blends cutting-edge electrification with timeless Italian styling, offering breathtaking performance without a single drop of fuel. The exterior design of the Ferrari Elettrica is unmistakably Ferrari, but sculpted for tomorrow. With flowing lines, active aerodynamic elements, and signature sculpted LED headlights, the Elettrica strikes an ideal balance between elegance and aggression. Flush door handles, vented carbon fiber skirts, and a redesigned front fascia make this a modern masterpiece. Its presence is bold. Its purpose is clear. Step inside, and you are greeted with pure Ferrari craftsmanship. But here, it meets the future. A curved panoramic OLED display flows seamlessly into the dash, accompanied by a digital passenger display and haptic feedback touch controls. The interior is wrapped in sustainably sourced Alcantara, accented with carbon fiber trim and red-stitched Italian leather. This is a cockpit that respects heritage, but lives in tomorrow. At the core of the Elettrica lies a tri-motor all-wheel drive system delivering over 1,000 horsepower. Instant torque launches the car from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.1 seconds. With a top speed of 217 km/h, it retains the soul of Ferrari while embracing silent velocity. The battery system is engineered for weight distribution and track-worthy handling. Ferrari's proprietary torque vectoring ensures pinpoint control on every corner. Despite its silence, the Elettrica is deeply emotional. Steering is precise. Suspension adapts in real time to road conditions. 4 driving modes, including track and E-mode, transform the character of the vehicle instantly. Whether cruising through urban streets or dominating the track, the Elettrica delivers balance, poise, and that irreplaceable Ferrari thrill. The 2026 Ferrari Elettrica is more than just Ferrari's first EV. It's a declaration that performance has no limits, and the future can still wear red. With unmatched precision, stunning design, and Ferrari's trademark passion, the Elettrica is the ultimate fusion of legacy and innovation. This is not just a Ferrari. This is the Ferrari of the future.